Question number 26. Reverse isolation would be appropriate for option number 1, a patient who has had minor surgery. Option number 2, a patient with tuberculosis. Option number 3, a patient with leukemia. Option number 4, a patient with glaucoma. Correct answer is a patient with leukemia. Question number 27. Spirulina belongs to option number 1, Rhodophyceae. Option number 2, Cyanophyceae. Option number 3, Xanthophyceae. Option number 4, Phaeophyceae. Correct answer is Cyanophyceae. Question number 28. Which type of spores are produced sexually? Option number 1, Conidia. Option number 2, Sporangiospores. Option number 3, Ascospores. Option number 4, none of these. Correct answer is Ascospores. Question number 29. Beta-lactamases are an important cause of antibiotic resistance. Which one of the following is the most common site where beta-lactamases are located? Option number 1, attached to nucleoid. Option number 2, free in cytoplasm. Option number 3, within periplasmic space. Option number 4, within the capsule. Correct answer is within periplasmic space. Question number 30. Pertussis vaccine is a type of option number 1, toxoid vaccine live. Option number 2, killed vaccine. Option number 3, cellular fraction vaccine. Option number 4, attenuated vaccine. Correct answer is killed vaccine. Question number 31. Metachromatic granules are characteristic feature of option number 1, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Option number 2, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Option number 3, Streptococcus pyogenes. Option number 4, Staphylococcus aureus. Correct answer is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a recognized cause of diarrhea? Option number 1, Clostridium perfringens. Option number 2, Enterococcus faecalis. Option number 3, Escherichia coli. Option number 4, Vibrio cholerae. Correct answer is Enterococcus faecalis. Question number 33. Bacterial transformation was discovered by option number 1, Beadle and Tatum. Option number 2, Griffith. Option number 3, Ederberg and Tatum. Option number 4, none of these. Correct answer is Griffith. Question number 34. Prokaryotic cells are more resistant to osmotic shock than eukaryotic cells because option number 1, they block water molecules from entering the cell. Option number 2, they contain osmoregulating porins. Option number 3, their cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan. Option number 4, they are selectively permeable. Correct answer is their cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan. Question number 35. The image obtained in a compound microscope is option number 1, real inverted. Option number 2, virtual inverted. Option no 3, virtual. Option number 4, real. Correct answer is virtual. Question number 36. In a fluorescent microscope, the objective lens is made of option number 1, polythene. Option number 2, glass. Option number 3, quartz. Option number 4, none of these. Correct answer is quartz. Question number 37. During biogeochemical cycle, some amount of elemental carbon was utilized by the microorganisms. The phenomenon is called as option number 1, immobilization. Option number 2, decomposition. Option number 3, neutralization. Option number 4, dissimilation. Correct answer is immobilization. Question number 38. Production of exotoxin that inhibits the release of acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction act as. Option number 1, collagenase. Option number 2, coagulase. Option number 3, protease. Option number 4, hyaluronidase. Correct answer is protease. Question number 39. According to Pasteur statements, which one of the following is true? Option number 1, living organisms doesn't discriminate between stereoisomers. Option number 2, living organisms discriminate between stereoisomers. Option number 3, fermentation is an aerobic process. Option number 4, all of these. Correct answer is fermentation is an aerobic process. Question number 40. The first antibody to contact invading microorganisms was. Option number 1, IgA. Option number 2, IgD. Option number 3, IgG. Option number 4, IgM. Correct answer is IgM. Question number 41. For microscopic identification of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Option number 1, Giemsa stain. Option number 2, Zn stain. Option number 3, iodine preparation. Option number 4, Gram stain. Correct answer is Zn stain. Question number 42. Which of the following contains structures composed of N-acetylmuramic acid and an acetylglucosamine? Option number 1, spheroplast. Option number 2, E. coli. Option number 3, amoeba. Option number 4, mycoplasmas. Correct answer is E. coli. Question number 43. On soybean, which of the following forms symbiotism? Option number 1, Azotobacter paspali. Option number 2, nostoc. Option number 3, bradyrhizobium. Option number 4, rhizobium. Correct answer is bradyrhizobium. Question number 44. Which of the following microorganisms is not responsible for urinary tract infection? Option number 1, Proteus mirabilis. Option number 2, Escherichia coli. Option number 3, Bacteroides fragilis. Option number 4, Klebsiella pneumoniae. Correct answer is Bacteroides fragilis. Question number 45. Of the following bacterial components, which one exhibits the most antigenic variation? Option number 1, peptidoglycan. Option number 2, spore. Option number 3, lipid A of endotoxin. Option number 4, capsule. Correct answer is capsule. Question number 46. Carry-Blair medium use A. Option number 1, differential media. Option number 2, transport media. Option number 3, enriched media. Option number 4, selective media. Correct answer is transport media. Question number 47. Transposase enzymes are responsible for. Option number 1, transfer of resistance. Option number 2, excision and integration of plasmid. Option number 3, transfer of genes. Option number 4, transcription of plasmid. Correct answer is excision and integration of plasmid. Question number 48. Wing bacterial structures does lysozyme degrade? Option number 1, plasmid. Option number 2, peptidoglycan. Option number 3, nucleoid DNA. Option number 4, pili. Correct answer is peptidoglycan. Question number 49. Diarrhea is not caused by. Option number 1, Streptococcus pyogenes. Option number 2, Clostridium difficile. Option number 3, Shigella dysentery. Option number 4, Salmonella enteriditis. Correct answer is Streptococcus pyogenes. Question number 50. Pick out the vector using in Human Genome Project. Option number 1, yeast episomal plasmids. Option number 2, yeast artificial chromosomes. Option number 3, cosmid vectors. Option number 4, phagamid vector. Correct answer is yeast artificial chromosomes.